So we're gonna go ride this Acura NSX. It's gonna be pretty cool to ride this.
You ready?
I'm ready.
Let's go. Hey, the first drive for the year.
First drive of the year, okay?
Yeah, I didn't
Thank
drive
you so
it
much.
before Elements on the Dragon or anything, so.
Do you get a lot of like thumbs up with people when you're driving this?
Yeah, and it's something that's expected because you don't see the vehicle, right? No one sees these cars. So when you take them out, you'll get screams from across the other side of the road, people on the highway beeping their horns, everything. And it's just something beautiful to see, and it's nice,
It's iconic.
It's iconic, and for true enthusiasts, they know what it is, and it's funny to see reactions because they get that excited,
Yeah.
They get excited, but it's
and also you have
nice.
all the like the Mugen stuff, like the steering wheel, the seats.
Yeah, so I got a couple of goodies on this car, a lot of NSX goodies too that the community knows about, and when you put it all together, it makes it nice and tasteful. You don't want something. I like tasteful looks. Everybody has their own styles. Some guys got really exotic looking, setups. But I like it to just like OEM plus, carbon fiber.
Awesome. So today I'm leaving after spending 2 days with Luis. Hey Luis, brother, thank you so much for everything.
Thank you for
I
coming,
appreciate
brother.
that.
I had a great time. I hope you had a good time too.
I did. Thank you so much. Like I said again, thank you for opening the doors of your house and showing me all your cars. And we had lunch, we went for a hike. That was amazing.
We had a really good time, brother. I really enjoyed every minute. I had 2 days off of work, out sick too, and couldn't been better.
Awesome. We're gonna go to a junker, right?
Maybe.
Maybe.
Yeah.
The junker is like 2 hours right from here.
Yeah.
But we'll see what we find to Sun Element parts.
Exactly. Okay, brother. Let's take this right.
Okay, let's do it.
Let's go.
Thank you, Luis. Time to go to my next destination. Where it's gonna be, I don't know. I'm just gonna go in with the flow, see where life takes me, and I'm gonna try to enjoy the fullest that I can, wherever situation, whatever place I am. So let's go. Let's do it. Making some time to look for some element parts. This junkyard day, there are 5 elements. The green one, tomato, and 3 more around there newer year. So I'm helping a friend to get some parts. This element, so it's the 4th element here, and then 5, so 5 elements. Hi Rain, look what Luis and I got you. Throttle body that you were looking for, so you can fix your cruise control. I know the mount where this part mounts is broken, so unexpected trip here and helping Luis to remove some part for his element. These are the parts that we are taking, all in black color. Center covers and throttle body. These handles in black color. This is how my hand looks after going to the junker. That's why I always like to use gloves.
Miguel's heading out. See you, brother.
I'm going to my next adventure, and I'm gonna go to a national park. I don't know what it is, but a lot of rain. Welcome to West Virginia. Woo. I got really lucky to get one spot, and that was the last spot available in this like a bridge walk here at the National Park in West Virginia.
You got to listen to what the tour guide asks of you. How about that? That'll save you a lot. That's neat. We be on YouTube after this is over?
Yes.
All right, great. So, everybody has a harness. We'll do call.
Now we are going into the tour bus, and they're gonna take us to the bridge.
Actually, the rain, in my view, I think the rain.
There's the bridge over there.
Across the New River down below on the Tunny Hunsaker Bridge.
Is that an element or what do you guys think?
I've never rafted a dog. Let's do it, Ron.
All right.
Get it, Ron.
So in conclusion, was it worth it? $80 for the tour? Yes, in my opinion, it's worth it. Great experience. People here, they are very helpful, very friendly, all the staff that work here. So highly recommend you to try it. It takes like around an hour and a half to 2 hours. Make sure that you bring a jacket, because like when you are in the middle of the bridge, then you feel like the air or the breeze, and it could get really windy and cold, even like it is hot outside. So it's been a while since I ate pizza. This is like a mushroom and steak pie. This is the first hike of the day, Kenmore Miners Trail here in West Virginia, and this hike has 821 steps, so it's gonna be double, 1,642 steps in total. So let's do it. Okay, let's do it. So many wooden steps. So far so good, just warming up. Cool. The view. Yeah, I made it to the bottom, so wasn't too bad coming down. Then we see this structure right here, which is pretty cool. It looks like a face. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 500. Seven, 8, 9, 800. L1, L2, L3. That's just from the heart of my life. Let's keep going.